Okay, so Chip and Biscuit. Biscuit's wandering that side of the car now. Chip was just eating from the bowl when I came out. But do you want more chicken? Is that what you're here for? Come on, Chip. Come on, Chip. Chip, Chip. Come on. Here. Chip, Chip. There we go. Yeah, they are for you. Yeah, there is a car moving very slowly up there. It's 1. And that's 2. Okay? Is 2 enough? Yep, she's forgotten about 3. I think. Where's she going? Right, off. No, I was going to say off she goes up the road, but no, maybe she's not. Now she is. Okay, that's Chip. No, she's changed. Oh no, she's going back again. Right, there we go. That's Chip going off up the road with her 2 pieces of chicken. Bye for now.